They will love you, worship you like a god or goddess, and risk everything to be with you after listening to this meditation. Listen to this when you are relaxed or just before you are about to fall asleep. And as you relax, my voice will guide you into the reality where your specific person loves you, worships you, and risks everything to be with you. Nothing and no one will stand in their way when it comes to being with you. It is already done. You are going to step into the reality where you are in one of the greatest love stories anyone has ever witnessed. If you choose this new reality, settle into a comfortable position and let's begin. Close your eyes and free your mind of all other thoughts. Take a couple of deep breaths. If you have a lot going on in your head or a lot of negative energy in your body, give yourself permission to release it all right now. As your body is becoming completely relaxed and cleared of all negative energy, let's use the power of this meditation and the universe to fill you up with love, to make your specific person love you, worship you, and risk everything to be with you. Now begin to visualize your specific person. See them clearly standing right in front of you. And they are so happy to see you. And they say to you, "You are so beautiful. I just cannot resist being in your presence. I have missed the sweetness of your voice. I am being seduced by your energy right now. I am falling in love with you more and more day by day. I am under your love spell." How does it feel as they are saying this to you right now? They are feeling so happy and full of love for you right now. And they want to show you how much they love you by catering to your needs. What do you want them to cater to for you right now? Whatever it is, imagine them doing it for you right now. They are catering to your every need. As they are catering to you, they say to you, "I have to have you. Please never leave me. I love you. Your presence always leaves me in awe. I always crave more of you, no matter how much time we spend together. Everything about you is spectacular. You are always on my mind. You are the object of my desires. The bond we have is so strong and will transcend generations. You have a God-like aura about you." How does it feel as they are saying this to you? They are now being filled with your love and God-like aura right now. As they are finishing catering to you, they now want to really spoil you. They want to take you somewhere to have fun and show you off. Where do you want them to take you right now? Envision yourself being there right now. Where is it? What are you wearing? What are you doing? You are having an amazing and magical moment with your specific person right now. You are smiling because you feel so amazing being with them right now. And they smile back at you. And as they smile at you, they say to you, I will never let anyone or anything ever come between us. I only want to build a future with you. I feel at home with you. I know you are who I am supposed to be with right here in this moment. Even in the afterlife, I would come find you. I want to have a family with you. Even when I am separated from you, my heart feels your love deeply. The love I have for you is stronger than ever before. Your absence deepens my love and affection for you. You rule my heart. I only have eyes for you. The dullest routines become a joy and pleasure when you are with me. Work feels like play when you are with me. I declare that I will love you until the end of time. How does it feel as they are saying this to you? The love they have for you is flowing through their entire body. They desire you right now. The love they have for you is so deep that it transcends time and space. The love they have for you goes beyond the realms of the universe and reality. As you drift off to sleep or prepare for the rest of your day, imagine this love that you two share. You should feel completely wonderful and satisfied that the love you have for them is now amplified within them to the 10th power. It is done. Type "they worship me" to affirm this meditation and let me know your results below. And if you have been carrying a lot of resistance in your heart or a lot of negativity in your mind and you need help manifesting your specific person, let me help you. I will do the hard part of manifesting for you. All you have to do is head to joybyjanell.com or click the link in the description box below, and you can get results just like thousands of my other clients. Just come order your manifestation today.